How to change language on Facebook on PC. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily change language on Facebook. Open up your web browser and then go to your search bar and search for facebook.com. Once you search for it, just make sure that you're logged into your account. So let me just go ahead and switch over to my main account here. So all you have to do here now is just go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right, and then go to settings and privacy. You'll find the language option right below settings, so click on it and then change the Facebook language. You can search for any language you want here. So let's say if I want to change to Spanish, I'm just going to click on it and it will reload the page. And as you can see, all of the text here has been changed to Spanish, like everything here, including my what's on your mind, video, photo, and activities. So if you want to change it back, go to settings again, go to settings, language, and then change it back to English. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.